expensive. Each of these is about $44 each, something like that. But the most exciting part about that is that Louis' TikTok paid for his toys this month. So that's actually really cool, and I think we're both really excited about it. These are the toys I got him. We have multiple toys from Bird Tricks, but these are our favorite at the moment. We got you so many toys. You're gonna play with the paper? Yeah, you're like a kid with Christmas wrapping. This is one of those toys after being in Louis' cage for a week.